So at the top of the camera you have the LCD here, and these ones for focusing, this one's for eye focus and focusing modes, and this one's for the shooting modes. This is where you turn it on also. Like, you can't turn it on without pressing this first. So let's put it to P, so it shows up there, and you have the horseshoe, flash horseshoe. So you have the ISO setting here. If there's film in here, it's gonna show up. There's the ISO. You have red eye to indicate if it's on. Then you have the beep icon if it's on. Then you have multiple exposure if it's shown. 5 is the flash exposure, like compensation, and then this one's for exposure bracketing. As far as the focus mode goes, you have one shot for still subjects, AI focus. So if you have pressed this, it starts off with one shot, and if the subject moves, it switches to AI servo, and then AI servo is for moving subjects, focuses continuously if you press this, if you have pressed the button, the shutter button. And then this one is for eye focusing. So you have this off, you have this for eye focusing, and this one for calibration. We'll get to that later. And then you have the shooting modes. So it's currently off. You can turn it on. You have to press the dial lock release button. Then there are several modes similar to the digital EOS. So you have the creative modes: P, TV, shutter priority, aperture priority, manual, depth, custom function. And then you have the basic modes like full automatic, portrait, landscape, macro, sports, and nightscapes. Then you have the film advanced modes. You have self timer here, usually 10 seconds, and then you have single frame shooting, and then you have continuous.